Cedar Falls Utilities offers a free smartphone app that you can use to report a problem with your service and view known issues in your area. It's the quickest and easiest way to get help in a hurry if your power goes out or your TV, internet, or phone service has a problem. Here's how to get the app. On your Android or iPhone, go to your App Store and search for CFU2Go. Download the app and open it. Next, you'll need to add an account. Tap Add an Account, then select the service you want to set up, either electric or communications. The communications service includes TV, internet, and phone. Next, you can choose whether to enter your CFU account number or enter a phone number that matches your customer records. Then enter whichever number you selected. Now you can set your notification preferences. It's best to leave them all on so that CFU can send you notifications during an outage or send a notice of a planned maintenance outage. Next, enter a nickname for the service. Tap Done, and now that service setup is complete. Your communications service and your electric service are added separately. To add another service, tap Add Account and add the service the same way as before. Select your service, enter your account or phone number, adjust your notification preferences if you'd like, and then enter a nickname for this service. Confirm by tapping Done. Now both services are set up in the app. If you have other properties, say an office or a rental property, you could set those up as well. Now here's how to use the app if your service goes out. Go to the home screen of the CFU2Go app and tap Report a Problem. Then select the problem you are having. If you have multiple properties, make sure the proper account is shown under the Your Account Information tab. Tap the account and switch it if it's not correct. In the comment text box, type any information that you want the technician to know. For instance, if you see lines down or if a tree fell into a power line, use this box to provide that information. Then enter the phone number where you can be reached right now. The technician assigned to fix your problem will use this number if they need to contact you for troubleshooting or if they need to enter your home to fix the problem. Then tap Submit. The confirmation message shows that CFU has received your outage report. From the home screen, you can view the problems you have reported. You can tap More Information to view the details of your reported problem and submit any new information. Also from the home screen, you can tap the newspaper icon on the top right to view any CFU news. It is important to always call our gas emergency line if you smell gas or suspect a gas leak. Leave the area immediately and do not operate light switches. From a safe location, call CFU's 24-hour gas emergency line at 319-268-5340. Tapping the bell icon shows any notices you've received through the app. And the phone icon shows different ways to contact us at CFU. You can also use the app to see a map of any current electric outages in town by going to the Outages screen. At CFU, our goal is zero service outages. If something does go wrong, we want to fix it fast. So we hope you'll take a few minutes now to get the app and set it up. Then use it any time you need to report an electric or communication service outage. Thank you.